Hi, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. In this video, we're going to look at activating a passive radon mitigation system. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's involved. All right, so we're up in the attic, and one of the components of a passive radon system is this 3-inch pipe that runs from up on the roof all the way down through the walls of the house and into the basement and connects to that sub-slab material. So what we've got to do is we've got to cut out some insulation and pipe so that we can add this radon fan. So the really cool thing about these Fantech RN4 and RN2 EC fans is you have the ability to dial them in. So in our weakest test hole, I'd like to have 5 pascals negative. So this is a little overpowered. I can dial that down to achieve the amount of negative pressure I want in this test hole. So we're a little low, so I can crank it up a little bit and get up to my 5. I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. Thanks for watching.